Hey, Shawn.
Mom,
Say hi. What are you playing with?
I'm playing with Emily.
Yeah, I'm playing with Emily and Percy.
Emily.
And Emily?
Spell Emily, please.
Spell Emily?
Yes.
How do you spell Emily? What letter does it start with?
It is E-M-L-L-Y.
E-M-I-L-Y. It's not L-L, it's E-M-I-L-Y. I M I Y. Good job, buddy. Is that one of your favorite trains?
Spell Emily. Spell Emily with your phone.
With my phone? Why do I need to spell it with my phone? Let's keep playing with Emily.
Emily.
Emily. Emily. And who's that, Shawn?
Percy.
Hi, Percy.
Wait, that's right.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Chuku 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 choo. Wow, that looks like fun. It's just going in a circle though, huh? What is he doing right there? Wow, look at all your trains in that big drawer, Shawn. Do you want to make a little...
Bash. Oh, that's over there.
Bash is over there? Sorry. That's pretty cool, huh? Choo choo. Good crap. Oh, Bash is stronger than Percy. Who's winning, Shawn?
I'm Bash.
Bash is winning, huh?
Oh. Yeah. Hey.
They're fighting it out. I think Bash is gaining ground. Bash is gaining ground.
Oh, and Percy's gonna win. Hey.
Who's winning, Shawn?
My Bash. Oh no!
Bash is winning?
Hey! Oh no! Get back onto the truck! Oh no!
Oh no, what's going on? Are you having a little tug of war?
Oh,
but in
no.
reverse?
Yeah! Oh no!
That's cool. Percy?
Wow!
Bash?
Crash!
Is it a crash on? Did it crash?
Yes.
Look at me.
It's okay. Only more oil.
Only oil came out?
Yes. Only more oil. Only more oil.
You need more oil?
We need more oil to make oil. Oil in this one.
Oh, okay.
And the oil is inside.
Mm-hmm. Shawn, can you show me your trains? Can you pick it up and show it to me? Who would you like to show me first? Who's that?
Percy.
Percy. What number is he?
He's number 6.
Wow, that's awesome. And what color is he?
He's green.
Oh, okay. Can you show me another one? Which one is that one?
Thomas.
And what number is that one?
1.
1. Oh, good job. Show me another train. Who's that?
Hero.
Hero. What number is Hero?
51.
51. Great. Is he a black train?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
He has some snow on him, huh?
yes, no on him.
Okay. Can you show me another train?
That's it.
That's it?
Yes.
That's it for now? Shawn, wave bye-bye.
Bye.
Say nice to see you.
See you.
Nice to talking to you.
Talking